హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు సాక్షి నేను హారిక. బెంగాలీస్ అనగానే మీకేం గుర్తొస్తుంది? ఒకటి వాళ్ళు అందంగా ఉంటారు, రెండు వాళ్ళ ఫుడ్ ఎంత టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది కదా, చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది బట్ స్టిల్ టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది. సో బెంగాలీస్ ఈరోజు బెంగాలీ ఫుడ్ ఫెస్టివల్ జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ ది పార్క్లో సోమాజిగూడ. సో ఇక్కడ ఎలాంటి ఫుడ్ ఉంది అండ్ వెరైటీస్ ఏంటి, అలాగే ఒక స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ కూడా రాబోతున్నారు, వారిని అడిగి మరిన్ని విశేషాలు తెలుసుకుందాం రండి. సో ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు జనరల్ మేనేజర్ ఆఫ్ ది పార్క్ అజిత్ సింగ్ గాడ్చా. హాయ్ సార్.
Hello, ma'am.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good, thank you.
వాట్ ఐ థాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ బెంగాలీ ఫుడ్ ఫెస్టివల్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ అబౌట్?
No, we are not having a Bengali food festival. What we are doing is a Bengali film festival which is happening in Telangana, and we are associated with them because we have a long association with Calcutta because of one of first hotels is actually based out of Calcutta, the Park Calcutta. What is happening here is that we are having a Sunday brunch, and our Sunday brunch is the most lavish brunch in the city of Hyderabad. We have more than 5 live counters. We have Indian, continental, as well as we focus on regional cuisine. Any one particular regional cuisine every Sunday.
Wow.
So this time what we are doing is Konganadu cuisine. We have a chef who's come from Uti, and she's a home chef, and she makes Konganadu food, which is regional cuisine to Uti and the surrounding area. It is an amalgamation of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Goa. There's a small community whose cuisine we do. And we also do like this, we do a lot of these micro cuisines. Say last month we were doing Naga cuisine.
Okay.
So there is a chef who had come from Nagaland.
Nagaland. Okay.
Before that we had done a cuisine from Bastar, where a chef had come from the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh,
Okay.
and he had traveled for the first time in a plane or a train and come to the hotel. So we do these kind of micro cuisines and showcase every time along with the rest of the things.
So what is your favorite cuisine?
Personally, for me, my favorite cuisine is Italian, as I was telling you before when we were talking without the camera, because I think Italian cuisine is the most authentic cuisine. They use the only local food in and around, and they make the food from surrounding areas. So very fresh and very authentic it is.
Indian cuisine?
Indian cuisine is beautiful. I mean,
You can't choose one.
it's very difficult to choose, because every single cuisine in India, whether it is Chettinad or whether it is Bengali, it has got so much of variation that it will be uh, wrong to say that one cuisine is good. In Indian cuisine, I really love the variety which is there. So you really can't choose. It's very difficult. For personally, if you have to ask me, my favorite dishes in Indian cuisine, because I'm a Punjabi, is rajma chawal and bangan ka bharta. And
Hakka Punjabi.
yeah, can't help it. Yeah, so that is there. And obviously
So-
Bengali sweets. Bengali sweets. Whether if you've been to ever Bengal, because of the British influence or the Portuguese influence, they have the chena, and the sweets are not made out of khoya. So they are made out of payas. They're made out of chena, which is basically cottage cheese. They're very light and very nice. So it's varied all over India.
Few words about the park.
Oh, Park is very old. One of the say premier hotel chains in India. It is 70 years old. We have around 45 hotels all across India now, and this hotel, particularly the Park Hyderabad, we call it the Urban Palace. And as you can see, it has got 263 rooms, amazing views of the Hussain Sagar Lake, and it has a banqueting facility of around 15,000 square feet. So it's an icon in Hyderabad, and you can see the beautiful Indian flag from here all the time.
Nice, sir. And what do you say about food? Food.
I mean, food is an integral part of Indians, all of us. So we have some iconic restaurants here. Ash is a Nizami cuisine restaurant where we celebrate the cuisine of Hyderabad. Our now you, I mean, Halim is very famous all over Hyderabad, but I think the jackfruit Halim which we do here, apart from the regular mutton Halim,
Okay.
is one of the best in the country. And you should actually try a jackfruit Halim. It is very famous.
జాక్ ఫ్రూట్ పనస పండుతోని హలీం చేస్తారంట. ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నాను. డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ టేస్ట్ ఇట్.
Please do. You be my guest.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం లోపలికి వచ్చేసాము. మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు ఫేమస్ బెంగాలీ యాక్ట్రెస్ తనుశ్రీ చక్రవర్తి. హాయ్.
Hi,
హౌ ఆర్ యు?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
So, how are you feeling about Hyderabad?
Oh, it's a fantastic city of Nizams, city of food, city of film. I really enjoy watching South Indian films. I've been, growing up watching South Indian films, which is a very big part of Indian cinema. And I'm so happy to come here in Telangana Film Festival. My film, Deep Fridge, which is a Bengali film, which got selected in IFFI
Wow.
last year, and this we are showcasing. So.
Tanuji, it is happening now. What it is like the Tollywood and Kannada actors, Tamil actors, Malayalam actors collaborating. So if it comes to Bengali, so how you imagine about that?
So it's a fantastic thing. People are doing that, and there are many female actors who already worked with South Indian film directors. I have worked with a South Indian film director, which haven't got released, but was a Malayalam director, and I had a fantastic experience working with him. And there are many more film actors who are working with the South film industry. So I think it's a great initiative.
We would like to listen one song from your beautiful voice.
Oh, I can't. I really can't sing, but I can try. Yeah, I can try one. Very famous song, which is Tagore's song, of course, written and music by Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore. So I'll just try, just a line.
No problem.
So when somebody comes from some other region,
Okay.
to our city, so we can sing this song for that person.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. আমি চিনি গো চিনি তোমারে ও গো বিদেশিনী তুমি থাকো সিন্ধু পারে ও গো বিদেশিনী. That's it.
సో మనం వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు మొనమి ఘోష్తో ఉన్నాము ద ఫేమస్ బెంగాలీ యాక్ట్రెస్. హాయ్.
Hello.
యు ఆర్ గార్జియస్.
Thank you.
వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఏజ్?
That's an what should I say? ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा नहीं करना चाहिए.
Acha. Monami ji, which one is your favorite film?
My favorite film.
Yes.
Uh, right now it's Podatik because I'm here for my film Podatik. So right now I would say Podatik.
Wow. So, a few words about your character.
Oh, it is a biopic of the filmmaker, the great filmmaker Mrinal Sen, and I played the role of Geeta Sen, his wife.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Yes. So, when we can expect the release?
Oh, it already released in the Bengal.
Okay.
It released, but we are
Is there
here.
any chance in Telugu?
I don't think so. I don't have that information.
Unfortunately.
I don't have that information. Maybe in future, but today we are here for the film festival.
Wow.
It is
So,
selected here, and we have some nominations also.
nice. So, which one is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is. Uh, um, so I have a realization nowadays that my favorite cuisine would be Bengali cuisine.
Bengal.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. It is actually my comfort food. The Bengali rice, the fish, chicken, and everything. I love Bengali cuisine. Thank you. We're talking about the food, and the food is here.
సో ఫుడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, ఫుడ్ వచ్చేసింది. Recently, we had very blockbuster Pushpa 2. Have you watched it?
Yeah, absolutely.
How you felt?
I watched Pushpa 1 also, and I watched Pushpa 2 also. I loved it. This is a veg one. Okay.
Any one dialogue from Pushpa 2? Uh, Pushpa 2 experience.
Pushpa 2 experience, it was great. It was a great movie with great songs, with great picturization. It was wonderful experience, and I saw it with my mother.
Wow.
Yeah.
So one dialogue from Pushpa 2.
Pushpa 2, oh my god. That one. हाँ वो वाला तो झुकेगा नहीं साला. This is from actually Pushpa 1.
Yes.
And Pushpa 2 helped me with the right one.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఆవిడకి తెలుగు రాదు, నాకు బెంగాలీ రాదు. అస్సలు తగ్గేదేలే,
What?
అస్సలు తగ్గేదేలే. నో.
This. And the dialogue?
అస్సలు తగ్గేదేలే.
Assaluta degele.
బెంగాలీ మే?
Bengali mein.
हाँ.
I can say it in Hindi.
సో పుష్ప.
Jhukega nahi sala. Everyone is saying it. Jhukega nahi sala.
సో ఇక్కడే కాదండి, ఎక్కడైనా పుష్ప 2 ఆ వైబ్ ఇంకా ఉంటుంది కూడా. సో ఇఫ్ యూ గాట్ ఎనీ ఛాన్స్ ఇన్ టాలీవుడ్, హూ వుడ్ యూ లైక్ టు వర్క్ విత్ ద డైరెక్టర్?
I mean, in Telugu film industry, there are so many, and I would love to do that. If there is an offer for me, I would love to do Telugu films. Um, but there are so many. I can't choose one. There are so many.
One word about Hyderabad.
Hyderabad is beautiful. Hyderabad is, very clean, clear, and very technically sound city. And I love Hyderabad. I can say one sentence in Telugu.
Yeah.
You tell me if it is right or wrong. నిన్ను నేను ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను. It means I love you, na?
వావ్. నేను కూడా మిమ్మల్ని ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను.
That means,
ఐ లవ్ యూ టూ.
oh, thank you.
ఇన్ బెంగాలీ
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. Say,
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
right.
ওকে, আই লাভ ইউ টু ইন বেঙ্গালি.
In Bengali, I love you too. আমিও তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
আমিও তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর দ্য টাইম. সো লাভলি.